ABC News is taking an in-depth look at the problem of global
say the warming is
warming.
caused by people. As we burn fossil fuels to run our cars, homes, and factories, greenhouse gases are trapped in the atmosphere and warm
irreversible.
the Earth's surface.
The report's the starkest yet and restates that the planet faces increasingly extreme weather, rising sea levels and melting polar ice due to greenhouse gases emitted by human industry.
Tell me what a horizontal line is, what direction it goes. Landon, left and right. Show me with your arms how that would go. And a diagonal line. And a diagonal line.
Our world, our miraculous planet, our one and only home. Here, our health is determined by our air, our water, and our land. We are the air we breathe, the water we drink, and what we eat.
Today, we are poisoning our common heritage with the reckless use of fossil fuels. We are creating unhealthy conditions for ourselves. Climate change is already happening, bringing us the worst public health crisis we've ever faced. But we can respond now. We can phase out dirty fossil fuels and replace them with clean energy.
The Colorado River Basin is in crisis. They are experiencing tremendous water shortages. The gap between projected supply and demand is growing every year. The entire state of California is experiencing the worst drought in history. What does this actually mean for us? What is happening here? It may very well mean that we are on the cusp of a mega drought. So the question is, what does this mean for you? What can you do about this?
Our nation responds to crises, especially when it's about everyone, our lives, our health. We need a broad-based campaign to saturate the airwaves, instigate group climate conversations, demonstrate the latest clean energy choices, and show the urgency of our situation. It must be at the scale of a presidential campaign. Then, with just 3 to 4% of Americans engaged, we can transform the crisis. Now is the time for action.
Today, a new United Nations report raised the threat of climate change to a whole new level.
The significance of this report and what sets it apart. For the first time in clear words, it says there's a point of no return, a point beyond which damage would be irreversible.
The 600-page document warns of extreme consequences to life and livelihoods.
We need help now so that we can change course. We need a massive grassroots campaign to wake up, organize, and mobilize. Now is the time for philanthropy to respond and provide the billions of dollars necessary for us to change. A campaign to displace fossil fuels, overpowering the businesses that are pushing them, is critical. Philanthropy holds the key.
Now it is up to us to ask for their help.
Reach out to these philanthropists. This will be the most important few minutes you'll spend today.
Take 4 minutes to let them know they must act now, supporting a large-scale campaign and our transformation to clean energy, clean water, clean air, and the land that follows.
And please, help spread the word. Please, help spread the word.